Hello, welcome again. We are solving Indian Forest Services Mechanical Engineering Paper 2 of year 2024. Question number 2C is the temperature of air stream in a tube is measured with the help of a thermometer placed into a protective well filled with oil. The thermometer well is made of steel tube K 53 watt per meter per degree Kelvin, 120 mm long and 1.5 mm thick. The surface heat transfer coefficient from the air to the protective well is 22 watt per meter square per degree Kelvin, and the temperature recorded by thermometer is 85 degrees Celsius. Estimate the measurement error if the temperature at the base of the well is 40 degrees Celsius. So here this is the schematic diagram. So this is your thermometer and it is placed in air which is in tube. This is air stream and this is your tube, and this is the base of the thermometer and this is your protective well filled with oil and thermometer is inside it. So this can be assumed as insulated tip of thermometer, and this is the base of the thermometer or the base of the protective well. So this is maintained at 40 degrees Celsius. Temperature measured is your 85 degrees Celsius by the oil, by the thermometer you can see, and this length of the thermometer is 120 mm and thickness is 1.5 mm. TA is for air temperature. Then if you assume it as insulated tip, then and here the temperature is your 85 degrees Celsius measured. So L for this is 120 mm. So this is at x is equal to n. The temperature measured is at x is equal to n. So we can apply for the pin insulated at tip the formula, that is T minus TA divided by T naught minus TA is equal to cos hyperbolic m bracket L minus m divided by cos hyperbolic m. So here T is T measured, that is 85. TA is air temperature, T naught is base temperature 40 degrees Celsius, L is 120 mm or 120 by 1000 meter, and X is also 120 by 1000 meter because it is measured here. Here temperature is measured. It is L is this, and now this will be your 0 and cos hyperbolic 0 is 1, and this cos hyperbolic ml is cos hyperbolic m into 120 by 1000. Here m is root hp by kc, where h is convective coefficient, P is perimeter, k is conductivity, and ac is cross section area. So h is given as 22 and perimeter is 4 into thickness in mm, and area is 1.5 into 1.5 thickness into thickness cross section area. So this is in mm, here this is mm, so we multiply here 1000, then both will be in meter. So from this m comes out 33.27, and cos hyperbolic 33.27 into 120 by 1000 comes out 27.1. So 85 minus TA divided by 40 minus TA is 1 by 27.1. So TA comes out as 86.73. Okay, so this is your ambient temperature, actual ambient or air temperature within the tube, but measured temperature is 85. So percentage error is 86.73 minus 85 by 86.73 into 100, so that is 1.99, say 2%. Okay. This is air stream, and air stream temperature TA, air temperature is T, air temperature T naught, length is 120, and at a length of 120 from the base the temperature is measured. So X is also equal to L. So using insulator fin formula we can find out this TA, and then we can find out percentage